to welcome our distinguished chief guest for today, Mr. Arulselvan sir. He is the medical advisor and deputy manager at Alkem Industries, Mumbai, involved in the development of some innovative solution for healthcare. Our college, JRG College of Pharmacy, today seminar topic, your roadmap to a successful pharmacy career and respected all faculty members. Again, now I request to our respected principal sir, Dr. Ashish Dev sir, kindly give a brief introduction and introduce our chief guest to our meeting and start the today webinar program, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, all. Good morning, all teachers, all students, and Arul sir, especially my friend from Mumbai. On behalf of JRG College of Pharmacy, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you all to today's webinar on your roadmap to a successful pharmacy career. Uh, I would like to give a special welcome to our speaker, Mr. Arul, who has a wealth of knowledge and experience in the field of pharmacy, and undoubtedly he is going to provide us a very valuable insight into the field of pharmacy profession. This is the formal part. Now let me tell you about my relationship with Arul sir. In fact, I think for 3 years we have been working in the same college in Mumbai. After that, he changed to another college. There he also continued, and we were all continuously in touch. After that, he suddenly, recently, I came to know that from teaching, he has jumped into the corporate world, and now he's working as the training manager in the Alkem. Alkem is a huge pharmaceutical company. So the moment I came to know, I thought that this is a very good chance for us for the placement of our students. So I immediately requested sir to guide us, and in fact he is the training manager there. So he is training to new candidates every day. He is taking interview and he is providing training how to excel in the pharma field. And luckily he has agreed because of my friendship, and he has given some time for our students. So let's not waste time. So now in this meeting or in this online session, basically the resource person is Arun Sel, and Jyotinanda sir would be there as the moderator. So we will continue with the program, and students should take maximum advantage of this program. Wherever you feel anything to ask, feel free, ask Jyoti sir. He will communicate, and immediately sir is very cooperative, Arun sir. So let's see and enjoy the program. Jyoti sir, please take on and allow Arun sir to start.
Thank you, sir. Our respected principal sir. Now I request to our chief guest, Mr. Arulselvan sir, please start the today topic and give the valuable feedback for our students and all faculty members.
Okay. So very good morning to everyone.
Sir.
Yeah. So we will start now. So what next? What we are going to do after B Farm or after pharmacy? What is our main focus? So here I touched the unnoticed many things in our life. बहुत लोगों को नहीं मालूम ये ऐसा कुछ काम है क्या कॉर्पोरेट में? Yes, there are many works are available for you. And yes, this is a very good introduction. Thank you, Ashish ji, for providing an excellent introduction for us. And we have more relationship based on the previous institute, and we worked together for a long time, right? So now, am I the right person to take the session? That is my first question, right? So why to sit for this person webinar or lecture? I have too many work on Sunday, and why should I be? Just see, this is my growth, what I am able to see, show here. And you can able to see, in 2004, I started as a medical rep with a salary of 42,000. And then I joined in IIT project staff, Mumbai, with 18,000 salary. And again, started career as lecturer, 22,000. And between, I joined in a pharmaceutical company as a quality analyst. I got just 9,000 in hand. And again 25,000, again 32,000, again 42,000 in 2003, and in 2004 it is 100,000. So what is meant by 100,000? It is 1 lakh plus. So this is my growth. I hope I justified you whether I am right person to give the session for you, right? So I touched all the field in the pharmacy. So generally what we do, our pharmacy career goes like that: diploma, B Pharm or M Pharm. We start career like this. We like product manager in a pharmaceutical company, marketing executive, medical shop, or teaching, or pharmacist, or IT, or online job. But suddenly someone will say that, in your friends or whoever it is, they say that no, there is no big scope. You will not get good salary. Do M Pharm, you will get much salary. So what we will do? We will take an extraordinary U-turn and we will come back again down. Many people thought that going back to higher studies will improve their salary skill or performance skill. That is not right. Now let's see this. So this is the sharing value. How many people are after B Farm? What is the percentage salary sharing they are doing? If you go higher studies, it is just less percentage only. Government job also very less percent. Whereas IT, that is corporate job, maximum people go for that, and they never sustain over there, and they will come back to the higher studies again, or they will do some other work. And industry, the second maximum people goes for industry, the packaging, formulation, clinical research, QC, and R&D, right? So let's see one by one what is available in India. India में क्या है? पहला वाला कौन सा है? Higher education. The first one is higher education. People prefer to go for higher education because that is the easiest one. We can get money from the parents, and we can say that we can go for higher education, right? When there is no job is available. Listen, the first one is M Pharmacy. So M Pharmacy is the most common higher education field selected by a B Pharma graduate, and it has many specialization areas like pharmaceutics, pharmacology, or clinical pharmacy. Whereas if you want to go internationally, there it is named as MS instead of M Pharm. The same type of profile only, 3 years course, 2 years theoretical knowledge, entire 1 year for project work, or more than 1.5 years also. Right? Now listen. The second most preference will be MBA in pharmaceutical management, because by doing MBA in pharmaceutical management, you can enter into corporate. But here, main thing what you have to keep in mind is your MBA. If you are planning to do that, you have to be more out of box thinking person. तो जनरल थिंकिंग वगैरह नहीं करना है, थोड़ा बार ऐसा ऐसा सोचना है that okay, if it happen, what I will do. That type of thinking should be there, not theoretical knowledge only. The next specialization is PharmD, which is now growing in India. Many people want to do that. The only difference is it is 6 years you have to do, and mainly those who are performing PharmD, they have to go for clinical pharmacy practice. Okay, after completing PharmD, what type of job I will get in corporate? I will get job like clinical trial management person. So what is your profile? You have to go to the hospital, and those who are carrying new drug therapy, that is clinical trial. From there you have to collect the sample, and you have to find out what is the problem they are facing, and you have to report to your company, right? So after doing M Pharma, you will get more jobs opportunity, and MBA you have to enter into pharmaceutical marketing, or if you are doing PharmD, you have to enter into clinical research trial, right? Now next important job which is unnoticed in India. इंडिया में ये ज्यादा नहीं सोचता है. मतलब फार्मासिस्ट करने के बाद किधर जाना है? एनी आइडिया? मेडिकल शॉप में जाना है, काम करना है, ऐसा नहीं है. So India is totally different way of thinking when you are thinking about pharmacist. The first profile will be government hospital pharmacist. How many of you know that now government is recruiting full-fledged pharmacist, not like 10 years back or 20 years back. Now government started recruiting pharmacist for pharmacist job inside the government hospital. Okay, what type of job you will do? You will dispense the medicine, you will go for counseling the patient, and you will find out the history of the patient, what type of medicine he is taking last 10-15 days. So it is a big opportunity available, and India started that, and definitely we will get, if you are prepared well, you will get a nice job when you are going for government pharmacist role, right? Next one is medical pharmacist, right? So again, this is another advertisement which is coming last 3 years, from Indian government, for recruiting pharmacists for government hospital. What type of job you will do? You will dispense the medicine, you will go for counseling the patient, and you will find out the history of the patient, what type of medicine he is taking last 10-15 days. So it is a big opportunity available, and India started that, and definitely we will get, if you are prepared well, you will get a nice job when you are going for government pharmacist role, right? Next one is medical pharmacist, right? So again, this is another advertisement which is coming last 3 years from Indian government, medical profile. What is that medical profile? Like you have to stay in the medical shop, and you have to go maybe medical shops which is present in hospital, clinic, and retail pharmacy. You have to go there. You have to be a pharmacist over there. And main important thing is now what government is asking every pharmacist is explain the safety and effective use of the medicine. ये दवा कभी लेना है, क्या काम करने के लिए लेना है, एंड क्या तकलीफ मिलेगा, लेने के बाद क्या तकलीफ मिलेगा, ये सब बात करने हैं पेशेंट के बाद. ऐसा नहीं है सीधा डॉक्टर मेडिकल शॉप जाने के बाद खाली पूछ रहे ये दवा दे दो, वो देंगे लेंगे, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. अभी पूरा चेंज हुआ, सिनेरियो इज गेटिंग चेंज्ड इन इंडिया. Even if you can see in the private pharmacy such as Apollo and Wellness Forever. If you go to these two medical shop, they will explain you what is the need of the medicine and when to take and how to take. So that is upcoming now. And again, health care consultant. So there is some special people will be appointed by the corporate. Again, I am repeating, there will be some special pharmacists will be appointed by the pharmaceutical company, and that person has to be with the hospital, consult with the doctor, consult with the patient, and they have to send report to the company regarding their medicine. Let's take example, I am starting a new medical industry, pharma industry, and I have a medicine which is given for diabetic, and it is an innovative medicine, right? So I have to give feedback about this medicine to my company, so that my company will change the policy making procedure, right? So my company will decide what type of medicine I can give, and this medicine is selling properly or not, and what are the protocol I have to change. Let's take example, the pharmacist appointed from company Alkem. Alkem appointed a healthcare consultant in your Odisha, any big hospital, right? And what they will ask, the pharmacist is sending that the medicine can be made it as a single dose, and it can be given as a OD only, once in a day only. So company will think about that, how to convert my 80 milligram into a OD dose, and then they will change the OD dose and they will provide. अभी क्या हो जाएंगे, पेशेंट 3 बार लेने के लिए जरूर नहीं है, खाली एक ही बार लेना है. So that role also done by a pharmacist only, B Pharma graduate or M Pharma graduate only, right? The next one is again community pharmacist. Again, government of India again promoting this because 60 plus old age people है ना, उनके लिए एकदम important है दवा कैसे लेना है, क्या करना है, because उनका बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ है, they can't swallow it. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे वो, they will break down that in the mouth. Some medicine should not be break down, टुकड़ा नहीं करना, ऐसा है कहीं. But patient was not aware, so that has to be communicated by the community pharmacist. Where they are keeping you in job, hospital, railways, in also armed force. What are that? Navy, Air Force, and our RPF and everywhere. So everywhere the job opportunity is available for you, right? Just keep this in mind. And last, you can start your own medical shop with your B Pharma degree. So how many pharmacies, how many different type of pharmacists we seen till date? Now, first one is government pharmacist, second one is medical pharmacist, third one is healthcare consultant, fourth one is community pharmacist, and fifth one is entrepreneurship. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा मन में, अरे सर ये सब सेम काम है ना, फार्मासिस्ट का काम ना, ये सब सेम नहीं है, सब अलग अलग है, अलग अलग काम के लिए अलग अलग सैलरी भी है. सपोज सोचो you are appointed as a community pharmacist, your salary is more than a person sitting in a medical shop. And if you are appointed for by a pharma company, your salary will be triple than the person who is sitting in the medical shop, right? After completing pharmacy, you will get this many opportunities to work as a pharmacist, right? Keep this in mind. Next, ये सब लोग का ड्रीम है ना, ऐसा कपड़ा पहनना है, जाना है, एंड ऐसा ड्रीम करना है, राइट? बड़ा बड़ा बिल्डिंग देखना है, बड़ा बड़ा बिल्डिंग के अंदर क्या चल रहा है, आईटी का काम चल रहा है. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ आईटी जॉब, राइट? The main major available job is the pharmacovigilance job, right? So what is this pharmacovigilance job? They will focus on what are the adverse drug reaction happen in the patient. Let's take example. One patient is complained from Odisha stating that by taking this pharmaceutical company product, my father or mother got paralysis. ऐसा वो एक complaint दे रहे, right? And immediately company will not give 100% compensation to the patient. Why? They have to check whether the patient followed all the ethics. What are the ethics? They should not take any tobacco, they should not take any alcohol, they should take the medicine empty stomach, or they should take the medicine proper. Now both lamba procedure hai, right? But if the patient miss that, what will happen? They will get definitely adverse event. That time company will not take responsibility for that. So what supposed to do? Any patient got paralysis after taking any medicine, hospital doctor will inform to the medical representative. Medical representative, to him he will say that aisa hua. Then the medical representative will send a form, right, to the pharmacovigilance team in that company. So now the pharmacovigilance team will go through the entire procedure, and they will decide, right, what is the problem for the particular medicine. If there is a problem with the medicine, company will give compensate. If there is no problem with the medicine, the problem is with the patient, then company will take immediate action. Right? Clear? This is another big opportunity which is available in the market. Second one, medical writing. Right? Medical writing is nothing but, let's take example in childhood. Right? Childhood, maybe when you are studying in 8th standard or 10th standard, there will be one particular question will be there, right, for 10 marks or 6 marks. Write a letter to your friend regarding your vacation or Diwali celebration. You write a letter. In that letter, what will be there? Love, affection, interaction, right? These are the words are going to be there. That is love letter or your friend letter. But medical writing is something, the letter which is to be in medical language only. It should be in which language? Medical language, what you are studying now. Pharmacology should be there. Pharmaceutical chemistry should be there. Pharmaceutical analysis language should be there. So, in medical writing, you are going to write a letter, but you are writing in your pharmaceutical knowledge, not in any common language. Right? So, this is another extraordinary profile where you can go and change your CTC, right, salary, like anything, right? You can certainly jump from 40,000 to 1 lakh, or even you can jump to 1 lakh to 2 lakhs also, if you have a excellent medical knowledge, right? Then you are the right person for this job, medical writing. Next one is clinical researcher. I already told that you have to collect the sample from the patient, and you have to analyze the sample, and you have to make an excellent report about the sample regarding the pharmacological action, side effect, and therapeutic effect. So this was again money. What we can say in this field, money will come like anything in clinical research, because you are the right person going to say what is the problem with the medicine. So here you can able to see the person getting more than 10 lakhs per month also as a salary. In clinical research, you can able to see some people getting more than 10 lakhs per month. महीना के लिए कितना है? 10 लाख salary भी. उसके लिए क्या जरूर है? एकदम सुपर डुपर knowledge चाहिए. You need a excellent knowledge to be a clinical research person, right? So now all the government, not only Indian government, every government started focusing on that. Please make a proper protocol before launching any product. What is the protocol? You have to check what is the need in the field. Did this medicine is needed by our particular population? Because India has a different versatile of food. मतलब इंडिया में 50% लोग खाली एक बार फूड, मतलब 50% people are taking 3 time food, And when you are launching any product for all the population, you have to be very careful. This medicine is going to be consumed by majority population or not. If it is consumed by majority population, what is the amount I have to fix for the medicine? I can't fix one tablet 50 rupees. No, because people will not take in India. So that you have to develop, that is called as strategic development. And then you have to work on accelerating the pathway. And then you have to go for interacting with more regulatory team. Not only your company team, you have to associate it with, suppose if I'm working with Alkem, I have to ask Cipla people, GSK people, and all those people. Then I have to take a proper submission procedure, and then I have to take out all the default given by the regulatory team. Mistakes has to be corrected, and then I have to launch the product. It is an excellent team and excellent job opportunity available for a freshers as well as experienced person. You can able to see many private people are giving online course as well as offline course for regulatory affairs. So start from final year only. When you are studying final year or third year, that time only you join regulatory course. So once you complete the regulatory affairs course, then now this is another important job which is going to be non-stop. When I was working as a medical representative, I have one MBBS MD doctor who comes and teach the product. Right now, company is recruiting pharma graduate because pharma graduate knows more about the medicine and they know what's happening in the field. But here in this job, you need two things must. One is you should be a medical representative. At least you should work for 3 years. And you should be promoted as RSM level. Minimum you have so get a promotion of regional sales manager. And then you have to apply for L&D team and then you have to join. I missed my opportunity. I did only for 3 years medical representative job. Then I did my M.Pharm and PhD. And it is very important. After completing M.Pharm and PhD, you should have minimum 10 years experience in teaching. So only the person who is having that can get a job as a medical training. So that only I got this job, right? Why I got this job? Because I for 3 years. So that's it. I got my salary hike anything 300%, right? In one, how it is possible? Because of the knowledge what I gained and the basic qualification. Next, one of the highly respected job by the doctor, not by the common people. I am again repeating, one of the highly respected job by the common people, by the doctor, by the individual. Why I am saying this? मतलब इधर तू ही राजा सबके लिए, तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा है मतलब तुम्हारा इंसेंटिव भी मिलेगा. Instead kitna milega? Medical rep, and then we studied about research scientists. Again, this is another most demanding field which is going to happen. And it is just now I told package is near to minimum 7 to 8 lakhs you will get. As a research scientist, if you are going, you will get 7 to 8 lakhs. And if you are going as a clinical pharmacy research scientist, in India you will get minimum 10 to 15 lakhs. Whereas if you go to internationally, right, your salary will be more, 50 lakhs तक जाएंगे per annum. साल का पूरा कितना मिलेगा? 50 lakh minimum. For all these things needed knowledge about the science what you read. I will teach all those things one by one now. Next one is QA and QC, quality assurance and quality control. Here we have to check about what is the quality of your product. Pharma company, what you are going to do? What is the quality of the product? The subject involved in this field is pharmaceutical analysis and quality assurance, right? So that's two subjects you have to be thorough knowledge. If you are having a pharmaceutical analysis, always keep in mind कभी भी analysis बोल रहा है मतलब उनके साथ chemistry compulsory है. इनके एनालिसिस के साथ क्या कंपलसरी है? केमिस्ट्री. So if you have an excellent chemistry knowledge and analysis knowledge, you became a quality assurance and quality control. First 2 years you will get minimum salary of 9,000 to 15,000 only. पहला 2 साल कितना मिलेगा खाली 9,000 और 15,000 है. बट उसके बाद 2 साल कंप्लीट होने के बाद तुम्हारा सैलरी सीधा जाएंगे कम से कम मिनिमम 5 लाख तक per annum, right? It goes to near to 1 lakh also when you are having a thorough scientific knowledge on analysis and chemistry, right? Most demanded field. Quality assurance, again, auditing karna hai, management risk karna hai. So you have to audit the reports which is manufactured from your pharmaceutical company. Again, one of the good profile which is available in your market, right? Yes, yes, sir. I am honest and I want to serve for the people and I want to be for the people and I have the passion towards having everything for my people means you can select these 3 jobs. What are the 3 jobs? First job, drug inspector. Sir, I am a honest person. I don't want anywhere any misuse or illegal activity going on. I want to be a supervisor or a police person or an inspector. Then select this job that is called as drug inspector. इसके लिए काली बी फार्मा क्वालिफिकेशन जरूर है and thorough pharmacy knowledge is more important, right? Because you are going to check the quality and of the medicines which are sold in the market, right? So excellent job, government job, good pay you will get, but only one thing you have to keep in mind: don't give excuses for your honesty. Be always 100% honest to your subject as well as to the people, to the government. So definitely you can go to the very high level in your life. Drug inspector job. Just keep this in mind. Next, yes, in drug inspector job we have more risk because honesty people will not be accepted by everyone in the world, right? So you will face too many problems. Like that, if you are thinking, then you can go for this job that is food safety inspector. Anyone know this job? I think you may not know. This is another job available for B Pharma graduates, right? After completing B Pharm, you have to clear the exams conducted through government like CSS, right? And then if you clear that exam, then you can go for applying for a job that is called as food safety inspector. So in that job, you can get extraordinary salary as well as you can get excellent output also by being in the particular job, right? So just keep this in mind. You have to clear this exam and you have to move forward, right? Next, the most passionate and respectable job is nothing but academia and teaching, right? So teaching is one of the most important job and it always keeps you respect as well as it always gives you satisfaction. No other job will give satisfy you, but teaching always. But at the same time you have to compromise your salary, you have to compromise your salary, right? So these are the good jobs available in the market, right? Now I just made in one page. So what is the pharmacy as a bright career or not? These are the many jobs available. Please keep this in mind. You have to be excellent in your knowledge, right? Next, this is most important for everyone, right? Those who are present here, for you, this is one of the important question which comes in your mind. As per the recent studies, what is the packages minimum and maximum in a pharmaceutical company if I join as a pharmacist in hospital? Minimum local small hospital you will get 13,000 rupees. But some top rated corporate hospital you will get up to 1.3 lakhs per month also. For that you need experience and knowledge. Non-hospital minimum salary will be based on hours only 9 to 12,000. Maximum will be 28 because it is not hospital, it is a medical shop. IT corporate, right? Corporate looks like it's a dream, but problem is you have to sacrifice many things for that. First, the timing, family, and everything you have to sacrifice when you are there in the corporate because many corporates never follow the ethics, right? So just keep this in mind. IT, if you are going 13,000 minimum, you will get, maximum you will get 1.2 lakhs per month. Academia, teaching, you can get minimum 25,000 now, and it will go as per the pay scale allowed by PCI and Government of India up to 85,000. And pharma company, field one, that is marketing executive, you will get minimum 38,000 per month plus every 3 month incentive of 30 to 40%. That is near to 1 lakh if you are performing more than 100%. And the same in pharma company, if you are going to the top rated pharma company with very good experience, your salary will go per month more than 80,000 also, right? Pharma company corporate, pharmacovigilance, clinical research, research scientist, all this medical training. Medical training इतना कम नहीं है. Medical training का minimum salary will be 1 lakh or near to 80,000 only. So this one is 13,000 per month, and minimum you will get 1 lakh per. Pharma company R&D research, you will get minimum less amount only. Starting stage में एकदम कम ही मिलेगा, like 6 to 10,000 only. But धीरे धीरे तुम्हारा salary एकदम ऊपर जाएंगे. After 5 years, if I come and meet you in pharma company, your salary may be near to lakhs in your hand, right? So this is the packages available in India, right? Now, am I audible, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Now listen,
this, de-
how the growth
dear
will
sir,
happen. Yeah.
dear sir,
How the
one
growth?
question arises, sir.
Huh?
Uh, Sir,
Yes.
one question, sir. One of our student asked a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how to be a pharmaceutical engineer after B pharmacy, and what course we should take for the pharmaceutical engineer? Please explain, briefly describe it, sir.
Okay. Listen here. The
Sure.
one common thing you have to keep in mind that any job profile, we need the knowledge and qualification. That's all. Knowledge is must. When you are saying it is a pharmaceutical engineering person, right? This is a word which come because many of the uh, non-approved or many of the institute which is not approved with PCI started with pharmaceutical engineering course, right? MTech in pharmaceutical engineering. So MTech in pharmaceutical engineering person also reading the same thing what you are studying in pharmaceutics. Again, I'm repeating. MTech in pharmaceutical engineering person.
ବି
Your
ଫାର୍ମା
voice is
କୋଉଠି
distracting.
ଜଏନ୍ କରିପାରିବେ? ବି ଫାର୍ମା ପିଲା
Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. I think it is Asapurna Priyan. Can you please mute your mic, Asapurna?
ବି
Jyoti Nanda
ଫାର୍ମା
sir, you
ପିଲା
have the
କୋଉଠି
rights. You can. Jyoti sir, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ mute କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. There is lots of distraction. Asapurna Priyan, please mute yourself.
ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଡି ଫାର୍ମା ପିଲା କୋଉଠି ଜଏନ୍ କରିପାରିବେ? ଯୋଉ ଯୋଉ ଟିଚିଂ ଲାଇନରେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଟିଚିଂରେ
Yes, madam. Okay, madam. Please unmute your the
Madam, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡାଟା mute କରନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ answer ଦଉଛୁ. Please mute yourself. ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ sound ହଉଛି. ହଁ.
Okay. Now,
Sir, Arul
yes.
sir, so
Yeah, I
there,
got it.
there is a,
Yeah.
yes.
See, the minimum entry in pharmaceutical companies as per the recent updated FDA and DCGA rules and regulation for a pharmaceutical company as a pharmaceutical engineer or technical person, the minimum qualification needed is M.Pharma. Right? Just keep in mind, M.Pharma is the needed one for entering into that. With B Pharma, you can enter into pharmaceutical company for a long-term growth in the field such as CDMA, that is data management, or you can go for production and manufacturing like packing, you can go, and labeling department, you can make it entry with B Pharma, and then supervision, quality control and quality analyst as a junior, not a senior with the B Pharma. right? So I don't think so. Engineering is possible. Pharmaceutical engineering is possible with B Pharma. The recruitment may not happen. If it happen also, you will be entered as a junior person, and your growth will not be there. For the growth, you need M Pharma, right? Now I am going to show what is the way of growth happen in pharmaceutical company. If you join as a marketing manager, your growth will be more faster. If you have an excellent knowledge, if you have an excellent knowledge, your growth will be more faster in all sense, in promotion, salary, and also your financial status. For joining this product manager, you have to complete B Pharma with MBA. Make a note of that. To join as a product manager, you have to complete B Pharma with MBA. Right? Second, marketing executive. You are the king for yourself. You don't want to depend on anyone. If you complete your sale 100% and above, you are the king. You will get incentive, you will get promotion, you will get everything. For this, you need B Pharma certificate and excellent communication skill. You have to speak more science in front of the doctor. Right? Next, medical shop. You have to keep mind on each and every step what you are keeping. Right? You have to be more careful. Your salary will not be more faster. Your growth will not be more faster. Right? Next, teaching. Again, as I am teaching, I should follow the ethics first. Right? I have to be more careful in handling the student. I have to be more careful in communicating with the student. And the growth will be slow only. Right? Everyone cannot be a principal. Everyone cannot be a HOD. So the growth will be very slow. If you go pharmacist, again the same story. You have to be very, very careful when you are providing medicine to the patient. Imagine there is a pregnancy woman admitted in the hospital for dengue or any fever, right? Your doctor told you to give paracetamol, but suddenly तुम्हारा सामने paracetamol नहीं है, and you gave ibuprofen. क्या दिया तुम? Ibuprofen दिया, right? So what will happen now? Ibuprofen will cause teratogenic effect to the baby. The baby will not grow proper. The baby will not may lose the heart or lungs or whatever it is. By just you provided ibuprofen, right? So you have to be very careful when you are working as a pharmacist. Your knowledge should be more important. Next, IT and online. Sir, you only told IT में ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं. ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं मतलब हर step एकदम. You have to be very careful whenever keeping one step in your IT, because IT follows international standard. मस्ती मजाल नहीं ले सकता है दूसरा के साथ. ऐसा करेंगे मतलब IT कंपनी बाहर भेजेंगे. दूसरा के ऊपर बात नहीं कर सकता है. लड़की के ऊपर फ्रेंडशिप और बात नहीं करना है. करेंगे मतलब कोई भी मोमेंट में वो कंप्लेंट देंगे मतलब तुम्हारा you will be kicked out from the job. So again that is one another important work. But एक बार ऊपर जाएंगे मतलब तुम्हारा सैलरी भी बढ़ जाएंगे. कोई इश्यूज नहीं है उसमें. बट ऊपर जाने के पहले एकदम अच्छा से स्टेप्स हैज टू बी मेंटेन केयरफुली. ये लास्ट है. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? ऊपर जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा है? Yes, what is happening here? See, keep in mind, कोई भी job selected, you selected some job like marketing executive, and if you are going with the job, go with the job only. Don't listen to anyone stating that M Pharm के बाद ज़्यादा देंगे. ऐसा नहीं है. Marketing executive job में M Pharm का जरूर नहीं है. Me and my friend joined together in Dr. Reddy's. I went for higher studies. My friend continued as a marketing executive. You know how much he is getting now? He is a L&D manager like me. Again, I am repeating. He is a L&D manager like me. He is getting salary 35 lakhs per annum. And I am just off of that. Now I can't go and say to the company, उनके पास डिग्री नहीं है, मेरे पास PhD तक डिग्री है. उसके लिए कुछ फायदा नहीं. Right? कोई भी जॉब सेलेक्ट किया मतलब you have to follow the properly that particular field only. Don't listen to anyone else, because many a time higher studies will come and bring you back to the low level. Recently in Haryana, Odisha, and UP, there is a news came that PhD graduate applied for the government job for sweeping. कचरा काम करने के लिए PhD वाला candidate apply किया. So just keep this in mind very seriously, right? So be always the right person to be selected by the pharmaceutical company, instead of begging anyone or instead of blaming anyone that I am not getting job in the market. I told market is very big. Market, there are n number of job availabilities are there. So take a photo of this and keep a scan of this. This is a quiz of today's session, right? So whenever you are getting free time, you can do that. It is just 10 minutes का, sorry, 10 question का quiz है. ज़्यादा नहीं है, खाली 10 question है. आज के क्या क्या पढ़ा उसके ऊपर 10 क्वेश्चन बना दिया मैं. कभी भी टाइम मिलेगा मतलब करके देखो, right? Now, so please follow through my LinkedIn pages, and if you have any queries, you can ask me through the mobile number or send mail to me, and you can watch my YouTube channels also. So please make sure that you are gaining knowledge, not degree. ये दोनों अलग अलग डायमेंशन है. नॉलेज अलग है, डिग्री अलग है. डिग्री कोई भी ले सकता है, knowledge depends on individual only, right? So thank you very much for patiently listening to the session. I hope we completed as per the schedule. So now it's time for queries. If anyone has any queries, you can ask now.
Yes, sir. Another question, sir. Sir,
Yes.
actually, uh, after MTech in pharmaceutical engineering or sir, MPharm in pharmaceutical engineering, sir, which is the best option after B pharmacy, sir?
Engineering or no, after BPharm, what is the best option?
Yes, sir. MTech in pharmaceutical engineering or sir, MPharm in pharmaceutical engineering?
See, what is the profile she is looking for? She is maybe looking for some technical profile, right? So when you are going for technical, my best option will be M-Pharm Pharmaceuticals will be the best option. M-Pharm Pharmaceutics is the best option. Only thing is, you should know how to handle the machineries, how to handle the different machineries applied, particularly like blister packing machines or punching machines and all those things. Machineries related knowledge should be more. So if you have that, any degree doesn't matter. The degree by M Pharma will be the common field. Suppose if you failed as an engineer, you can go for formulation and development also. But after taking M Pharm in engineering, pharmaceutical engineering, M Tech in pharmaceutical engineering, can't able to get the job means you will be in a big trouble. So always focus on the currently available marketed option, that is M for master in pharmaceutics only. And if you want to be highly focused, then go for M Tech in engineering and analysis also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Then, sir, another one question, sir. Sir,
Okay.
actually, after D pharmacy, what is the best job in pharmaceutical industry, sir?
Pharmaceutical industry minimum qualification is not D Pharma. So pharmaceutical industry, the only field what they are allowing you diploma is marketing.
Yes, sir.
Diploma, after diploma they are selecting you for marketing, and nowadays the marketing minimum salary came like 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. मतलब 12 महीने के लिए कम से कम 4 लाख, मतलब एक महीना का कम से कम 30,000 आ जाएगी, राइट, कम से कम. एंड उसके साथ ये भी मिलेगा, अलाउंस भी मिलेगा, इंसेंटिव भी मिलेगा. हेडक्वार्टर के ऊपर अलाउंस भी चेंज होता है. इफ यू आर इन टॉप टाउन, you will get a minimum 280 rupees per day with allowance, petrol allowance and all those things. So my suggestion will be, please go for after diploma, try to capture the field which is that is called as this one, marketing. Because once you enter into marketing companies are allowing you to do diploma in management courses, MBA and all those things. So company will allow you to go for getting degrees and all. So your life will be extraordinary and good. Believe it or not, recently I conducted a session for people from Odisha, UP and Bihar. and I conducted for 48 students. And in that 48 student, right, maximum diploma in B Pharma, in that 22 student has iPhone with him. कौन सा मोबाइल है? iPhone है. मेरा पास भी नहीं है iPhone. I have only smartphone. See how it is possible, because company recently they completed the target of some 130% or something. So they got near to 1,80,000 as an incentive. 1,80,000 in 3 months. Right? उनका 3 महीने का सैलरी भी उतना नहीं है. Right? So that is a main advantage. So I request everyone to focus on entering into the marketing, because marketing will not replace by any artificial intelligence. Teaching can be replaced. Tomorrow you can sit and study in front of a computer also. Artificial intelligence. But marketing will be done only by one person, that is pharma graduates only. So that is not going to be replaced by anyone. Right? 2019 to 2023, which job was offline and which job got full salary? Any idea? During the COVID time, our job, yes, exactly. Pharmaceutical person, pharmacists got the full salary, they got the job, including medical rep. Right? Medical reps got full salary. They went for job, they got the salary. So please keep this in mind. Pharma is a very big field. You will get everything in your life. Any other questions?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your valuable feedback, sir. Now I request to our student, anyone interested to ask question, then ask to sir.
Okay, these are the two questions it came. Any questions? Any doubts? Yes, Pradhan, you raised your hand, right?
No, I
Unmute
don't know
yourself.
one.
Unmute yourself and ask if you have any doubt.
ଜଣେ କିଏ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ପଚାରୁଥିଲେ some lady about the job. Is she there, Asapurna or something like that? ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? ନା.
Nahanti, sir.
Okay. So I think we are done.
Yes, yes. So
Sir,
thank you very much. Be happy. And only thing I just want to make it, whatever field you are going, only one thing you keep in mind: learn, learn, learn. दूसरा कुछ काम गंदा नहीं है. कोई भी काम करेंगे मतलब वो काम से क्या फायदा मिलेगा वो सोचो. ऐसा नहीं है मैं ये काम करेंगे मतलब ये मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं. Just keep in mind, even if you are doing one titration in the lab, think what knowledge I am going to gain. That's all. That's what Ashish ji also told very clearly. Na? I was with academics for 13 years. No one was expecting that. Suddenly I will jump like anything. And in overnight, I can improve my salary 300 times more than what the salary I got. All these things happen only with only one thing in mind. That is, I always try to learn. You can able to see my salary profile. I got even in 2023 just 35,000 also. Right? So that is the thing. Always keep in mind, learn the things whatever you are doing. That makes you really super duper in your life. All the best for everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Today, our chief guest and your presence has truly made this event memorable and impactful. Uh, then, sir, we thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule, sir, to us here, motivating and encouraging us to all. Again, we thanks to sir. Then now I request to our respected principal, Sir Dr. Ashish Dev, sir, kindly give vote of thanks and give some valuable feedbacks about students and today all the winners, sir.
thank you, Nanda sir. On behalf of JRG College of Pharmacy, I would like to extend special thanks to Mr. Arul, my old friend, for sharing his time, his expertise, and his invaluable insights. Sir, your guidance has provided our students and attendees of the seminar a clear roadmap to success in their pharmacy careers. So we are naturally very much thankful to you for your contribution. I would also thank all our teachers who have taken their time to attend the session, and all the students and other participants from outside also, those who have attended the session. Thank you all. Very shortly, everybody will be getting a certificate of participation. Right, sir? So with
Thank you.
this,
Thank you.
thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
So the
sir.
session is closed here.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. All the
Thank you,
best.
sir.